In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a month-year column into your Power BI date table to support rolling monthly analysis. So instead of drilling down from year to quarter to month, we can say display a rolling axis of the last 6 months of say April 20, May 20, June 20, and so on. It's actually incredibly simple to do, and if we pop over to Power Query, we can do that now. So here we have our date table in its current form, and to set up the rolling month column, all we need is the date column and actually the relative month column. That'll come in handy later on for sorting our month-year column. So all we need to do is to add a custom column, and we'll call it month-year. And we're going to use a function called date to text, and that's a Power Query M function that can convert a date value to a text value. And once it's a text value, then we can format it the way we want. So it's literally just date.toText. And we'll choose our date column, and then we can put in the format that we want to present this in, and we want to present it in MMM-YY format, close brackets, and that's done. And there we have our month-year column. I'm just going to force that into text, and we can close and apply. Now let's take a quick look at that. If we go over to our data view, in our dates table we can now see our month-year column, and let's just spin up a quick visual. If I go to a new page, and I have a table of sales data related to the dates table through a date column. Let's just add a clustered column chart of sales by month. We say sales net amount, and we can add our month-year column as an axis, and we can see that this has now presented our sales by month-year. But it's not quite what we want because it's sorted by net amount, so we can change the sort order on the visualization to sort by the month-year. And here we can see a problem straight away because these are text values, not actually date values, and so we can see it's sorting alphabetically by the text value. So we want to modify the sort order for the month-year column. If we go over to the data view, and we select the month-year column, and previously we'd set up a relative month column. You can see another video on how to do that. There's a link at the bottom of this video. So what we can do is just sort by the relative month, and the relative month is just a unique value for each month in the database. So 0 is the current month, -1 is last month, +1 is next month, and so on. Now if we go back to our visual, we can see that is sorted actually in descending order, and I want it sorted in ascending order. And now we can see the sales net amount by month correctly sorted in ascending order there. Now, one of the things I really like about using this month-year column along with the relative month column is that we can now add a filter onto the visual or to the page. Say relative month is less than 0 and say greater than or equal to -6. And that'll always show me the last 6 months sales data. And as we roll over to next month, so too will the axis in the chart.